You're watching Explorer Vacations. Step inside luxury at sea as we tour gorgeous suite 15307A aboard Virgin Voyages' Brilliant Lady, part of the exclusive Mega Rockstar quarters. We were invited by Virgin Voyages to explore this stunning ship ahead of her inaugural sailing from Los Angeles, and this suite truly sets the tone for elevated cruising. From the moment you walk in, you're greeted by expansive living spaces, bold modern design, and sweeping ocean views. The suite features a spacious bedroom, a glamorous bathroom, and a stylish bar and sitting area for entertaining. Step onto the spacious terrace, complete with a hammock and outdoor seating, your own private oasis at sea. With VIP perks, personalized service, and rockstar level amenities, this suite delivers an unforgettable experience that redefines what it means to cruise in style. And now we're going to stop talking and start watching. Thank you for exploring with Explorer Vacations. For travel ideas about cruising and beyond, please visit our website, ExplorerVacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.